Hello everyone, my name is Shivam from Gossipfunda YouTube channel, and today we are going to fix a problem which is related to Facebook. The issue is that our Facebook professional mode is not showing, and we're gonna fix this issue. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook profile, tap this three dot option, and you can see that our professional mode is not showing up. So first thing first, you have to make sure that your account profile is unlocked, because this option is mainly for the creator or for the people who want to connect with other people and want to share their content publicly. So now tap on this option button, scroll down, now tap on help and support. Now simply tap on report a problem. Now tap on continue to report a problem. So here they are asking that you want to include complete logs and diagnostic in your report. Now simply tap on don't include in report. Now here they are asking to select a product. Basically they are asking that related to which of the following option you are facing a problem. So we are facing a issue with our settings. So simply tap on settings. Now describe your issue in description box. Simply write turn on professional mode is not showing up. You may also attach a screenshot from add image. Now simply tap on send button and your report has been sent. So this was the first method to resolve your issue, but still if you are facing a problem, then follow the second one. So the second thing you can do is simply open your Chrome browser, write Meta for Creator Professional Mode. Now tap on the first link that appears. So this is the official page of Meta for creators. Now scroll down and you see this join us option or poster, whatever it is. Now fill your email address which is connected to Facebook and tap on join the community button. Fill your details like your first name, last name, and select your country. Now tap on this button and let's do this. And now Facebook will solve your problem. So hope you like the video. Make sure to ask your question and give your suggestion in comment box. Share this video and also don't forget to subscribe to Gossipfunda YouTube channel. You may also visit our website from given link in description. I hope your problem is solved. Thank you so much. See you soon.